Very good morning, my dear students of class 11th. Please open page number 117, conditional sentences. You are already familiar with the rules of the conditional sentences in class 10th. Here, you have to remove if and use unless. Write down the sentences as it was your homework. Now check your answers. Assignment number one. Unless means if not. You must know. Unless means if not. Whenever you use unless, please don't use any negative word like no or not, because unless is itself a negative word. So right now answer number 1, unless he is careless, comma, he will succeed. Number 2, I will arrive tomorrow unless something goes wrong. Students, when you use unless between the sentences, between two clauses, don't put comma anywhere, only full stop at the end of the sentence. You may see the difference between answer number 1 and answer number 2. When you start the word unless, when you begin with unless, you use comma here, unless he is careless. Now answer number 1, then you put comma, unless he is careless, comma, he will succeed. But in sentence number 2, I will arrive tomorrow unless something goes wrong. There is no comma here, you see. Answer number 3, unless you drive fast, comma, you will not be fined. Number 4, he will never come unless we invite him. He will never come unless we invite him. Full stop. Number 5, unless you pay, comma, I will not work. Number 6, unless you wear a suit, comma, you will not feel hot now. Number 7, unless you want this, comma, I will take it. The last sentence, number 8, unless you buy a ticket, comma, you cannot enter the train. Now assignment number 2, you will use if here and you will remove unless. Number 1, if there is nothing important, to tell me. If there is nothing important to tell me, comma, do not disturb me. Number 2, if you do not have my consent, comma, you cannot sign this contract. Number 3, if nothing goes wrong, comma, I will reach Mumbai tomorrow. Number 4, if he is not operated at once, if he is not operated at once, comma, the infection will spread. Number 5, if it rains heavily, comma, no planes will take off. Number 6, if you will wear cotton cloths, comma, you will always feel cold. Number 7, if they don't pay the fees, comma, they cannot take the examination. Number 8, if you don't return the money, comma, you will be punished. And now assignment number 3. Students, you will do this work in your language notebook, not in the book, not in the total English workbook. I hope you have made a language copy, language notebook. Write down these exercises in it. Assignment number 3. Number 1, if he refuses to repay the loan, if he refuses to repay the loan, comma, he will go to prison. Number 2, unless you get your admit card, comma, you cannot enter the hall. Number 3, unless I apologize, comma, she will not speak to me. Number 4, unless you submit the form now, comma, the college will not accept it. Number 5, they will not come unless we invite them first. Number 6, unless you work hard, comma, you won't succeed. Number 7, if you are careless, comma, you will lose your job. In the last sentence, if they cheat, comma, they will be blacklisted. Now assignment 1, 2 and 3 completed. Thank you so much, students.